French women call this the secret to staying forever young. And the wonderful thing is you can easily make it at home with just a few simple ingredients right from your own kitchen. With just tomatoes or potatoes, you can make your own moisturizing, firming, and skin-restoring mask right at home. Watch until the end of the video to follow along with me. The first ingredient I want to introduce today is the tomato, the red fruit of youthful skin. The tomatoes I have today are quite small, so I'll use about 3 of them. If you're using larger ones, just 1 will be enough. Grate them finely so you can easily extract the smooth, fresh juice filled with nutrients. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and lycopene, 2 powerful nutrients that help stimulate collagen production, improve elasticity, and protect the skin from sun damage. These natural components help your skin stay smooth, even-toned, and healthy-looking every day. After grating, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to get a smooth tomato juice. In the world of skincare, tomatoes have long been called the elixir of youth, a natural secret for rejuvenating the skin. Since ancient times, beauty experts have used tomato extracts in many skincare formulas for their antioxidant brightening and skin repairing properties. Once you've collected the tomato juice, don't throw away the pulp just yet, keep it, because we'll use it later for a fantastic beauty tip. The next ingredient is potato, a natural remedy for healthy, radiant skin. Choose 1 fresh potato, peel it, then grate it, and strain to get the juice. Potato juice is rich in vitamin C, potassium, and copper nutrients that help brighten, even out skin tone and leave it naturally smooth and luminous. In addition, potatoes contain the enzyme catecholase and antioxidant compounds that help soothe inflamed skin, reduce breakouts, fade dark spots, and soften the skin noticeably after just a few uses. These natural enzymes also stimulate cell regeneration and promote collagen production, an essential factor in maintaining elasticity and preventing wrinkles. I'd love to know your natural beauty secret. Which kitchen ingredient do you often use for skincare? Is it honey aloe vera or turmeric? Share your favorite recipe in the comments so we can all learn and embrace natural beauty together every day. As for the potato pulp, don't throw it away just yet. Combine it with the tomato pulp we saved earlier. And guess what? I'll show you what to do with these 2 later. This little secret is incredibly useful, and I'll reveal it at the end of the video. So don't take your eyes off the screen. Once you have both the tomato and potato juices ready, mix them together and add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This ingredient is often called natural Botox for the skin. It helps smooth fine lines, tighten, and noticeably improve elasticity. Simmer the mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until it begins to thicken and reaches a smooth cream-like texture. This is the perfect base for today's skincare formula. Once the mixture has thickened to your liking, turn off the heat and let it cool naturally at room temperature. As the mixture warms up, the natural nutrients are activated. The vitamin C in potatoes helps brighten the skin. The lycopene in tomatoes boosts antioxidant protection. And the cornstarch gives the mixture a silky, easily absorbable texture. The result is a smooth, nutrient-rich natural cream base that helps your skin look brighter, healthier, and more elastic with every use. Pour the cooked mixture into a bowl and let it cool naturally. While waiting, prepare the next ingredient. Flax seeds, a wonderful natural gift for the skin. Add 2 teaspoons of flax seeds and 250 milliliters of water to a pot. Then simmer over low heat until the mixture thickens. As it cooks, the flax seeds release a soft, silky gel that's rich in omega-3 and lignans, 2 nutrients that deeply hydrate, soften the skin, and improve elasticity. This gel acts like a natural moisture barrier, helping the skin retain water, smooth fine lines, and leave it feeling firm, refreshed, and rejuvenated. When the mixture starts to thicken and become slightly stretchy, turn off the heat and let it cool naturally. While waiting, let me ask, where are you watching this video from? Leave a comment so I can send you a warm greeting. It's such a joy to connect with friends from all around the world. Once the flaxseed gel has cooled, use a fine sieve or clean cloth to strain and separate the clear gel. This is the most concentrated part, containing all the natural nutrients from the flax seeds, smooth, slightly elastic, and deeply hydrating, ready to be blended into the next step of your skincare recipe. Mix the strained flaxseed gel with the tomato and potato juice you prepared earlier. When combined, these ingredients create a natural face mask with a smooth, light texture that's easy to apply. The flaxseed gel deeply hydrates, softens, and enhances the skin's elasticity, while the tomato and potato help brighten, reduce redness, and soothe sensitive skin. The final step to complete the mask is to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil provides deep moisture, nourishes the skin, and improves its softness and elasticity. Rich in natural fatty acids and antioxidants, it also helps slow the aging process, reduce dryness, and prevent flakiness, leaving the skin smooth and supple. And, of course, you can't skip 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Honey has gentle antibacterial properties that help cleanse pores, soothe sensitive areas, and keep the skin moisturized for hours. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until the texture becomes smooth and consistent. Now you have a complete natural cream, rich in vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants from tomatoes, potatoes, flax seeds, coconut oil, and honey. When using, take a small amount and apply it evenly to your face and neck. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. This mixture deeply hydrates, brightens, and improves skin elasticity while soothing and restoring dry or sensitive areas. As you apply it, you'll feel your skin become smooth, soft, and refreshed with a light, natural fragrance that gives a relaxing spa-like experience. Store the mask in a clean glass jar with a tight lid and keep it refrigerated. It can be used for about 7 days while maintaining its freshness and effectiveness. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll notice your skin becoming smoother, firmer, and naturally radiant, a simple yet wonderful gift from nature for your skin. Don't throw away the tomato and potato pulp after juicing because it's the perfect ingredient for a natural exfoliant. Just mix the pulp with 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt and 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Sea salt gently removes dead skin cells, stimulates blood circulation, and leaves your skin rosy and glowing. Almond oil, rich in vitamins E and A, deeply moisturizes, softens, and restores dry or dull skin. When combined, this mixture not only cleanses the pores but also helps the skin become smoother, more even-toned, and healthier. You can use it to gently massage your face or entire body for about 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Use it 1 to 2 times a week, and your skin will become brighter, firmer, and better able to absorb nutrients, a simple, natural, and inexpensive way to care for your skin right at home. Take a few minutes each day to love and care for yourself. When combined with a healthy diet, enough sleep, and a relaxed mind, you'll notice your body and skin improving day by day. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips.